STI retest the $8 to $10 levels once again, or is this a ticker which you're stuck with? Today's video is going to be discussing STI, not that type of STI, the other type of STI, all right? The good type of STI, the stock STI. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing it from three different lenses: the why, the what, the where. So pretty much where you got it, who gave it to you, and how to get rid of it. I'm joking. No. The why is going to be the catalyst breakdown, right? Going over exactly why is this ticker up so damn much to begin with, and whether or not this actually makes any, fundamental sense, and whether or not these gains are sustainable. The what, we're going to be doing some stock analysis, going over the company's short interest, going over the company's institutional ownership, going over the company's cash holdings, going over the company's historical dilution history, all the goodies. Then the where, we're going to be talking about the chart, all right? Where to get in, where to get out. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as always, why do we talk about the why first? Because in order to predict the future, you first need to understand the past. In the case of STI, STI is a ticker which today ran approximately, over freaking 100%, right? It ran from $3 all the way upwards of the $8 levels, which is over 150%, I believe, give or take. It was pretty close to 200% actually, from 3 to 9 almost, right? So almost 200% rally over here. Now, this is the thing, right? We want to analyze, hey, why was this ticker running so much? Because if we can analyze why it's been running, then we can analyze the longevity of this move. Well, luckily for STI, it did actually have some solid news. So it says Solidity Technology shares are trading higher after the company revealed that its new electromechanical graphitization molten salts process won at the 2025 Research and Development 100 Award. So pretty big deal, okay? Pretty big deal. Clearly, they have a banger product in front of them. So we're going to go over here. I'm going to put the breaking news as amazing, right? Now, listen, I'm going to be honest with you guys. Do I know anything about anything when it comes to electromechanical graphitization? Do I know? No, I don't know. I couldn't tell you a single thing. However, I can tell that this is the type of catalyst that incites excitement into people, right? It gets the people going. It's provocative, all right? This is the type of catalyst that we need. This is the type of catalyst which is set as good or amazing catalyst, all right? Good. Not freaking the CEO is appointed a new CEO. The fuck, who cares about it? Or the company has gotten a new patent. Who cares? Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Okay? Nobody cares, right? So, good catalyst, right? Now, let's talk about the stock analysis. Now, when it comes to the stock analysis, the first thing we want to look for is going to be volatility. How do we measure volatility, my friends? We look at the company's market cap. We look at the company's outstanding shares, and we go ahead and we figure out, or float, we figure out exactly how volatile is this ticker out of 1 to 10 or terrible to greatness, all right? So, in the case of STI, this is a ticker which has a free float of 1.4 million shares and a market cap of sub 20 mil. Guess what? That's amazing. Phenomenal. Amazing volatility. All right. The next thing which we want to look at is going to be the company's dilution history, right? And dilution future, and try to predict whether or not this is a company that's going to have an offering or of some sort, right? Now, the first thing that we look for when it comes to dilution is going to be their motivations of diluting, right? And how do we know what's the company's number one motivation when it comes to diluting? Money, all right? And guess what? That's something this company doesn't have much of, all right? The company right now has negative $1.1 million on the balance sheets, cash holdings, cash equivalents. The numbers you're seeing here are based off of their most recent SEC filings. Their operating expenses every quarter is $1.63 million, leaving them with zero. Okay, they got no money. They got negative money. Do you know what that means? That means if there was something free, they couldn't afford it. So when we have our 2 weeks free trial for our Discord, which will give you access to all of our alerts, give you access to the lessons, give you one-on-one access to me around the clock, let you guys know exactly when I'm buying things, and it's free for the first 2 weeks, this broke-ass company can't afford it because they got negative money. Now, obviously, it doesn't work like that, okay? If you have negative money, you can still afford shit. But I'm just pointing out how broke this dumbass company is, all right? So terrible cash, all right? Now, we're going to go over here and talk about the company's further dilution inspection. So what is another thing which we analyze in order to allow us to figure out whether or not the company is going to go ahead and dilute furthermore or not? It's going to be historically. Well, historically, they actually haven't diluted much, and right now, their overhead supply is limited. As you guys can see, they only have about 380,000 worth of shares worth of warrants, okay? Solid. I like it, okay? I like it. You know what? I like it. That's very low, okay? However, that means that they can go ahead and come out with a new S1 or come out with a new S3 and freaking double the size of that current outstanding shares, right? Or not outstanding shares, outstanding warrants. So we're going to go over here and we're going to put dilution, honestly, as bad, considering how broke they are financially speaking. Now let's talk about institutional ownership. So why do we care about the institutional ownership? Because we want to know what the big money is doing. Only 3.5% of this company is owned by big money. Not good. Not good. It's not terrible, but it is bad. Okay, not good. Now, short interest, we don't care about short interest. Okay, we don't care about short interest because actually, you know what? I'll pull up short interest. I'll do it for you guys. How about that? Hit that thumbs up button. I got you guys. It's a little later that I'm filming this video, so it's probably updated. That's why. That's why I don't usually do short interest. Look at this. The past date's up 48%. The past date's up 48%. If short interest goes up, that's not a good thing. That's not a good thing at all. Why? Because that means that the shorts are doubling down on their position. That means that the shorts believe the stock is now overextended. Not a good look at all. Not a good look at all. So we're going to go over here and put the shorts as terrible as well. Overall, guys, I don't like this ticker. Now, let's talk about the chart. So there's a great quote when it comes to charts, right? It goes, when in doubt, zoom out. All right, so let's take a look at historical price action. Amazing. Amazing. Wonderful. Wonderful. Yep. Yep, I do want this stock that was once trading at $350. Then it went down to zero, and then it probably had a reverse split. Yes, sir. I do want this stock that just had a 1-for-50 reverse split a couple months ago. Yes, sir. No, sir. I don't want it. I'm joking. I don't want it. It's not getting above $8. Okay. This bad boy's not getting above this $8 level, which sucks, right? It's a heartbreaker, but it's not getting above the $8 levels. If it gets above 8, it's not getting above 9.8. You guys see this candle? What's the top on this? 9.9. So yeah, it's not getting. It's not happening. All right, not happening. All right. So where do I see it going though? So I do see it potentially retesting this 750 level. Okay. But I doubt it's even going to be able to break 750. I see it testing, going to 730, going to 724-ish. I do see it going around there. That's where personally I would either lock in my profits or cut my losses. That's what I would do. Again, I'm a very conservative trader. I'm extremely conservative. That's why my win rate's closer to 80%, right? Or above 80%. If you go on the website, you guys can check that out. Now, regarding the website, guys, for Labor Day week, okay, we've gone ahead. That's right, Labor Day week. The weekend was not enough. We've extended it to a week, all right? I added 10 more spots to the Discord for the 50% sale, which we had ongoing. The sale was a hit, so we're bringing it back again, okay? The next 10 members that join, they get access to the Discord for a 50% discount. Now, the Discord will give you access to all my day trade alerts, all my swing alerts, all my option alerts, you name it, we got it alerts. Now, this is the thing, is that, you know, our alerts look like this. We give you the entry, we give you the exit, we give you every single thing. We also tell you how many shares to buy in a 10K account. Now, the reality is my portfolio is way bigger than $10,000. However, we use 10K as a benchmark for you guys to be able to better decide when your decision, with the decision sizing when it comes to your position sizing, okay? Decision sizing, your position sizing, right? Now, what makes our Discord different, and, you know, I get you're skeptical, you should be skeptical, is that we offer a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. So previously, we used to do a 7-day free trial, guys, and now we've upped it to 2 weeks. So, I mean, there's never been a better time to check it out, considering we also have that 50% sale. So give it a shot. Wilson says, hi, Sam. Thank you for our work on the community. My 7-day free trial finish was great. I thank you for my membership. 7 Gs in 7 days. You know, I mean, we've been crushing it, man. Before joining Top Tier, man, day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, lessons, you name it, you got it. Okay? Give it a shot. Literally today. Nice call on the options, Master Sean. 2.7K. $138, $184, 3.3K. 200% on the contracts. Great week this weekend, guys. If you're taking these alerts, you're missing easy money. This was literally last Friday. 9K from our mans. They've been going crazy. Today's my first day trading with you guys on the small account. I'm up 30%. Thank you for my account. I appreciate you. Maybe positive reason. Nice to find have a good week. $20,000 the past week. Amazing stuff overall, man. I'm so proud of what we built. Honestly, I'm so proud of what we built, and you know that's why I don't ever shut up about it, right? Joining this Discord has been life changing. Thank you. 6x when I joined this Discord, my goal was 1K reach in less than a month. Give it a shot, guys. 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Try it for the first 2 weeks. See if you make money. If you make money, you know, let the payment go through. If you don't make money, cancel before you even get charged. I mean, it's a no-brainer. I don't know if you guys have ever done that with free trials before, but I know damn well I have, and that's why I'm telling you guys to do it with us. But the thing is, I know that we're selling crack. I know you guys are gonna join. You guys are never gonna want to leave. So for me, you know, as long as you give us a shot for the free trial, that's all I ask you. All right. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Happy listening trading, my friends. With that said, your boy Sam from Top Academy.